What's up, stackers? So today I'm going to be talking about the top 5 print-on-demand websites that you should be using. Also, if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to easily make designs and where to get your inspirations from. Now, if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I bring out all different types of videos showing you how you can start to make some money online. So what you should do is go hit that subscribe button and hit the little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want my #1 recommendation to making a full-time income right here online, then click that link in the description below and I'll send that straight to you. So, top 5 print-on-demand websites are, well, the first one is Zazzle. That's zazzle.co.uk, and as always I am going to leave links for these in the description below. So if we check out Zazzle, you can see some of the kind of stuff that you can put your designs on and sell on this platform. So we got calendars, invitations, gift tags, all over print totes, phone cases, rubber stamps. They have a wide range of items that you can put your designs onto. They also have Christmas cards, magnets. There's so many different things. Now, I'm showing you these websites because if you've watched any of my other videos in the past, you know the best way or easiest way to make money is to go where there's already traffic. Now, these websites I'm about to show you, these print-on-demand websites, there's already traffic here. There's already buyers looking for shit to buy. All you do is put your designs onto a product, and then hopefully people will find that product. Okay, so that's the first one, Zazzle. Come over, check them out, sign up. If you want to sign up, it's pretty easy. Just go to Sell on Zazzle and become a designer and become a maker. So really, really easy, really good platform. The second one is Redbubble. So Redbubble is pretty much the same as Zazzle. They have a lot of different items on here that you can put your designs onto. So if we scroll down, we can see you've got stickers, bags, pencil cases, t-shirts, phone cases. All you do is come up with the design, put that onto the item, mark up your products and make sales. You can also do stickers over here on Redbubble. So Redbubble is another good print-on-demand website. Another one is Teespring. Now, Teespring has been around for a very long time now. Well, a long time in internet years. I believe that Teespring is actually the granddaddy of print-on-demand. But with Teespring, you still got built-in traffic. If you just make your design, go ahead, put it on a t-shirt, a bag, a jumper, then you can still make sales without actually marketing that product. So Teespring is on my list just because it is still one of the best out there when it comes to print-on-demand. Now, the next one is Sunfrog. I still like Sunfrog. I still have some designs up on Sunfrog, and it still makes me a little bit of money from time to time. Not a lot because I don't have a lot of designs on here, but nevertheless you can still upload all your designs. You can do phone cases, leggings, t-shirts, jumpers. They actually have quite a big range of different products on here now. As you can see, there's the leggings. So this is another one where you can go and put your designs. One good thing I do like about Sunfrog is if an affiliate finds one of your products, goes and sells it for you, you make royalties. Or if someone comes to Sunfrog and buys your t-shirt, you make royalties. So very passive, very good. I do like Sunfrog. Then the last one is KDP. This is print on demand, but not as you know it. This is print on demand books. Yes, you've probably heard me talk about this recently because this is becoming one of my favourite things to do. I've started creating low content books. And low content means notepads, sketch pads, journals, pretty much books with just lined paper in them. So you create that interior of lined paper or even blank paper if it's a sketch pad, create the design, the cover, and then upload it to KDP. Now the good thing about KDP is that everything you make here, all your books, get sold on Amazon. But not just Amazon.com, they get sold on Amazon.co.uk pretty much worldwide. So you create your book, you upload it to KDP, then once it's live and ready to buy, it's going to be sold over every Amazon marketplace worldwide. And we all know how much traffic Amazon gets. So this is becoming one of my favourite print-on-demand websites. So where do we come up with inspiration for these designs, and where do we actually create them? Well, the easiest place to create them is Canva. Canva is completely free and you can make some really good designs. You don't have to know anything about design, graphics. You can just use this software. So this is where we make the covers or your designs. And where do we get inspiration to make these? Well, there's a number of different ways you can do this. Now, with all the websites I just showed you, with Sunfrog, Zazzle, and Redbubble, you can go through their site, find some really good quotes. So let's take a look at this one. Legends are born in September. You could take this quote and completely change the design. Now, be careful when using some quotes. Some are going to be copyrighted. But you can get inspiration just from going through these sites and having a look. History teachers, White Knight. You can also go to Pinterest. And all you would have to type in is, depending on the niche that you're going after, you could put in mum quotes, dad quotes, car quotes, cooking quotes, funny dog quotes. There's just so much inspiration everywhere. You can also use Etsy. Let's go to Etsy. We can look up quotes or designs on here, see what we like and see how we can change it. So if we scroll down, as you can, this one says the best mornings begin with hot coffee and a poop. You could take this design and completely rearrange it. We can also look on Amazon for inspiration as well. So if we scroll down, all I've put in is t-shirt quotes. You could put in funny t-shirts. As you can see, I like my eggs in a cake. So that's how you can find inspiration. How do we actually go around and design this? Well, like I said, we're going to use Canva. And now I'm going to show you just how easy it actually is to make a good design within Canva. So what I did was just pause the video while I did this, because I don't want this video to be too long. But as you can see, that looks good. Then what I would do up here is go to the top search bar and type in cake. Now, when using images in Canva, what you want to look for is the free, which says just there. Then if it says use it in all your designs, you're allowed to put this onto covers or anything and sell that image. So just keep an eye out for that. But I would look through cakes, look for a vector or something that else I could put on here and just make it look a little bit better. I could do it with an egg as well. But as you can see, this little design is actually pretty good by itself and didn't really take long at all to do. Now, if you want to see a more in-depth video on how to use Canva and how to make good designs, then leave a comment down below letting me know and I will do that. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been StackinProfit, and I'll see you again soon.